My sister just came to the door, totally in a panic, said she heard something, and we're gonna go check it out. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
He was content with me petting him. He was just like, yeah. It's cuddles.
You look just like her. So she just had her babies. I don't know when this happened.
Babies plural or just
baby,
one?
baby, just one so far.
Okay, look around behind. Make sure there's not one behind or under. Just look all around for a second. She may only have one. She may not be done. There may be.
She's about to have another one. If you want to film it, she's pushing.
Oh, can you get her back out here?
Look, here's your mommy. I'll keep you warm.
Hey, Mama, how you doing?
Yeah, you stop crying.
All right, kiddo status report real fast. We had a hectic last 30 minutes or so, didn't we?
We had one stillborn kid, but we currently have one little healthy doe. And come here.
And here she is.
Here she is. So this is Clove, and she has blue eyes, and not really moon spots as much as she is just blotchy.
Okay.
But she is happy and healthy and really sweet.
Yeah, so she's doing good, and now Mama's doing good. Unfortunately, number 2 was breech, and that's the way when we got home, that's the way we found her. But we got that taken care of, and we're not sure. There may be a number 3, or there may not.
Yeah, we don't know. It's possible for there to be another.
So we're keeping a close eye on her tonight, and we will check back in if something else happens.
All right, it's the next morning. We're gonna go back and check on them. They seemed pretty okay when we left last night. We gave Lilly an electrolyte formula from our friend. We'll leave that in the comments below. Oh. That's the first night. The water's frozen a little. Hey, how's everybody? Hi. We put this towel just draping over the entrance, kind of just to keep a wind block and to keep them a little bit warmer last night. This is Lily, and this is her baby Clove. Last night wasn't quite our ideal birthing situation, but we are so happy to have this sweet little baby girl.